Next in our Tools menu is our spell check. Know that you can very easily go into Tools and then Spelling and run a spell check for your spreadsheet. You can change anything that pops up or ignore. You can also add any of these to your dictionary. So if there is a name in here that you use often, you can add that to your dictionary so it won't continually tell you that it was spelled incorrectly. Below Spelling, you have Enable Autocomplete. Enable Autocomplete will recognize data that's in a row above the cell. So for example, if I scroll down here to the bottom, in this row I have Varsity JV Freshman. If I start typing, maybe freshman, it'll recognize the pattern and start auto-completing that for me. If you would like it to do that, you can keep your autocomplete turned on in your Tools menu. Next are your notification rules. Your notification rules will let you get notifications when something happens to your spreadsheet. So if I open this up, I can say, email me when any changes are made to this spreadsheet. Or remember, we added that form to our spreadsheet. I can say, tell me anytime a user submits a form. So when there's a new entry on this sheet, I will be notified. I can choose to get an email once a day, or I can choose to get an email right away when that happens. The notifications will really help you know when other people are working on your spreadsheet or when you're getting those new results. Once you save, you'll see your notification in this list. You can add multiple notifications. So if you wanted both of these notifications, you can go back and select the next one. When you're happy, just click Done.